Hello class 9 students, please look at page 21 of your textbook. We are doing this exercise today. Let me read this. Observe the following structures. We use them while suggesting or persuading people. While suggesting or advising or persuading people, we use any one of this structure. Okay, look at this rule. If I were you, comma, I would plus verb. Why don't you plus verb? Question mark. You should, you ought to plus verb. You had better plus verb. How about plus verb ing or noun? Question mark. Okay, as for example, suppose you have a fever. If I have to suggest to you, I can suggest to you in this way. I can use any one of these sentence or any one of this structure if I have to suggest you or advise you. Okay, if I were you, I would visit doctor. Another structure, why don't you visit doctor? Another structure, you should visit doctor or you ought to visit doctor. You had better visit doctor. How about visiting doctor? This way I can suggest you. I can suggest you using any one of this structure. Okay, you have already read previous chapter, previous lesson. In that lesson there was Nima's letter. Nima had suggested her brother how to improve English, and Lakpa is weak in English, and Nima had suggested Lakpa in many ways. She has suggested this way: you should try to communicate in English. You should listen to radio program. You should buy radio. You should use English dictionary. You should speak English all the time. You should talk to the foreign tourist. You should talk to the teachers. You should pick up pronunciation. Okay, I have shown these examples to make you understand actually. Okay, and we can use other structure also while suggesting. As for example, I have already told you. Look here. Here is one example. You should try to communicate in English. Okay, here is written. If I were you, I would communicate in English. Why don't you communicate in English? You should communicate in English. You ought to communicate in English. You had better communicate in English. How about communicating in English? Okay, this way we can use this structure while suggesting or advising people. Okay, let's read this B number. Work in pairs and play the role of A and B and C and D respectively. You can swap means change or alter your rules for further practice. We can be more clear when you read this dialogue. A, I have had stomachache for 1 hour. B has given suggestion. Why don't you take some hot water? A, I have taken it but there is not any progress. B number, you had better tell the teacher and go home. Okay, here is suggestion. Why don't you take some hot water? Another way, you had better tell the teacher and go home. Okay, here is another one. I am looking a wristwatch. Can you show me one? D number, of course, this is sharp time. Quartz is an original one. C number, C, is it durable? How much is it? D, no doubt there is 1 year warranty on it. It's cheap as well as if I were you, I would buy it. If I were you, I would buy it. Here is one structure. Okay, here is one suggestion. Okay, dear students, look at page number 22. And here are 4 boxes, 1 2 3 4 boxes, and in this box there are clues have been given here. With the help of these clues you have to construct conversation, as I taught before. Okay, clues are like this: A, my mathematics not so good. B, more practice, practice not help much. Take special tuition class or tuition. Okay, these are the clues. Okay, here I have written this way. Look here, number 1. You have to write in your copy when you, after looking this. Here, my mathematics is not so good. There, from these clues you can make A, my math or mathematics is not so good. You can write. Okay, and more, here is written more practice. B, you should practice more. You should practice more. Okay, instead of this structure or sentence you can use why don't you practice more, or you had better practice more. If I were you, I would practice more. Okay, this way you can use different structure. Okay, as I taught you before. So, in A, here is written practice not help much. Yes, I have practiced it more, but it doesn't help much. Okay, B has given suggestion. If I were you, I would take special tuition class. Okay, you can use other structure also. Why don't you take special tuition class? If I, okay, here is this same sentence. Okay, you had better take special tuition class. Okay, this way you can use other structure. Dear students, you listen, you look, and you have to copy in your exercise book also. You have to write also in your copy. After writing in your copy, you have to show me. Okay, look here, dear students, you have to write in your exercise book also. Number 2 box, want to buy a pair of shoes, star shoes, comfortable and durable. A, how much? B, reasonable price, buy them. Okay, you have to write in your copy also. I have written this way. A, I want to buy a pair of shoes. Okay, pair of shoes. B, sure, look at these star shoes. These are comfortable and durable. A, oh, how much do they cost? B, is reasonable price. They cost only Rs 600. If I were you, I would buy them. Okay, here is suggestion. Okay, you can use other structure also as I taught you. Okay, look at box number 3. Go to hospital during interval. Ask class teacher, doesn't allow, ask head teacher. Okay, these are the clues. You have to construct a dialogue. Okay, look at box number 4. Okay, A, is this plot of land? Here is written, I want to buy a piece of land. Is this a plot of land? Okay, B number. Yes, square piece, very suitable for making house. Yes, this is a good piece of plot. It is very suitable for making a house. Here is another one. What facilities there are? What kind of facilities are there available? B, every facility, road access, electricity, telephone, grab your join. Okay, oh, every facilities you can find. There is road access for this land. there are electricity and telephone. You had better grab this opportunity. Okay, here is suggestion, you had better grab this opportunity. Okay, this is the exercise we have done. Look at number B. You have the following problems and your friend gives you suggestions. Work in pairs and have two conversation. Okay, these are your problems, and when you say these problems, your friend will give suggestions. You will become A and your friend will become B. Okay, that we have conversation. Look here, your communication is not so good. Look here, A. You are speaking A. I cannot pronounce the words properly. Okay, and do you know how to improve it? B number. You had better listen to BBC. It will surely help you. Okay. Another number, B number. You are putting on weight, means you are getting fatter. Look here, A. You are A. I am putting on weight. How to control it? And your friend B suggesting you should go for fasting once a week. You should go fasting once a week. Okay. Okay, look, here is another problem. You have forgotten your homework. Okay, and you have to say, I have forgotten my homework. I have forgotten my homework. And your friend B is suggesting you, if I were you, I would request the teacher to submit. Okay. Number 4. You have no pen to write with today. A. I have no pen to write with today. B. You ought to ask your friend. Okay, this way we have created conversation, you and your friend. Okay, look here, number C. Your friend wants to do these things, and you persuade him how to do or not to do the particular things. Okay, I want to learn Japanese. Number 2, buy a jacket, join one of the clubs, buy a mobile set. Okay, of the page, same page number, I have written answer this way. I want to learn Japanese. Okay, your friend wants to learn Japanese. Okay, A is your friend. I want to learn Japanese. Your friend is saying I want to learn Japanese, and you are suggesting you had better go to Japanese language center. Okay, number 2. Your friend has this problem, buy a jacket. Your friend wants to buy a jacket. A is your friend. Your friend says I want to buy a jacket, and you have to suggest, if I were you, I would go to supermarket. Okay, this way. Or you can write another structure also. You had better go to supermarket also can be written. Number 3, join one of the clubs. Okay, your friend speaks here, I want to join one of the clubs. Okay, you have to suggest, why don't you join football clubs? Okay, another, you buy your mobile set. Okay, if your friend speaks, I want to buy a mobile set, and you have to suggest, you had better not buy at this time. Your friend is small, this is not time to buy a mobile set because you are too young. Y-O-U-N-G. Wait, Y-O-U-N-G. Too young to carry. Okay, this way we have completed these exercises. And when you write in the exercise book, you have to write, and you have to pause and you have to write. You have to pause and you have to write, and after writing you have to show me. Okay, thank you. This much for today.